Hello, Buckingham students. It's me, Mr. Payne again. I just wanted to give you some instruction for what we will be working on this week. For this week, I wanted to do something which every student was familiar with, okay? So we're going to be working on 3 movements, okay? We're going to be first working on arm circles. Next, we're going to work on jumping jacks. And last, we're going to work on high knees, okay? So I'm going to demonstrate arm circles for you first, okay? Arm circles, you want to stand up nice and tall. You want to have your arms out, okay? And you're going to start making some small circles forward, okay? Nice and small, okay? You want to take your time, okay? As you get moving, you're going to make some bigger arm circles, okay? Bigger. This is a great exercise, okay? Okay, and then a little bit bigger. Okay? All right, after you go forward, now you're going to go backwards, okay? Again, starting off real small, okay? I hope everyone's been enjoying their time off. One thing that I've been up to, and then get a little bit bigger, is I've been playing a little bit of Madden with my boys, particularly my youngest, Cody, and get a little bit bigger on the reverse arm circles, okay? Now you have the choice. You can do these exercises. You can do them daily. You could do them twice a day. These are good exercises just to get you up and get you moving a little bit, okay? Our next one I'm going to demonstrate are jumping jacks, okay? Cody, you going to click that? Thanks, Cody. So for jumping jacks, you really want to stand up straight, okay? You want to hold your arms at your sides, okay? And your feet should be about shoulder width apart, okay? You're going to jump and extend your hands and your arms over your head, okay? And I'm not sure if you can see my feet right now. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. And I'm going to bend this down just a little bit, and maybe you can see my feet, okay? So you're going to go jump out, jump in. That will be one jumping jack, okay? All right, so what you want to do is, I have challenges, okay? I think I have beginners can try 15, and if you're advanced, try 25, okay? So I'm just going to do 5, demonstrate 5, okay? So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Just 5 jumping jacks just to show you all, okay? And then last I'm going to demonstrate is high knees, okay? All right. For high knees, this is a really good exercise, okay? You want to stand with your feet hip width apart, okay? You want to lift your left knee to your chest, okay? Nice and high, and your right knee to your chest nice and high, okay? What it looks like when you're doing it full speed, okay? You want to have your knees hit your hands, okay? I'm going slow to start, okay? This will be at the beginner level, okay? And I think I put beginners are at 45 or 30 seconds. And if you're advanced, try this for 90 seconds, okay? Now I'm going to speed it up. Now I'm going to go a little bit faster, working on those high knees, okay? This is definitely working on your heart-lung endurance. Remember that word, okay? Woo! I'm working my breath just demonstrating for you all, okay? Maybe I need to work on my heart-lung endurance. I hope you all have a great week, okay? And I look forward to seeing you all soon, okay? We'll see ya. Bye from Mr. Payne.
I thought I was